Hi, in this video I want to show you how my inventory tracking system works and projection of inventory. And this is obviously a key part of any e-commerce financial model. So in this particular case, we have three different products. Those are these hardware kits. We have a common assumption of the lead time in months from the moment when an order is made to delivery into your storage, and some additional assumptions that are needed for the payment terms, for the minimum and maximum order quantity, and also for the safety margins so that you can be confident that you're not going to run out of inventory. Now, the first key part of this system is here. Those are the inventory calculations. And I have here two subsections. Those are the calculations before the end of the month and at month's end. So as you can see here, we're tracking the inventory at month start, the sales volume as projected elsewhere, the inventory that is in transit but not arriving yet, the inventory that is arriving, and from all of these inputs, plus those assumptions I've shown you, we calculate the amount of inventory that needs to be ordered. Now, this is a very complex formula, but it does take care of literally every possible situation that might arise. And one of the reasons why it's so complex is that in this version, the lead times can also change, which means that in a case such as this one in here, if the lead time for orders increases, we want the system to automatically update. So in one of the earlier months, we actually have to order the needed quantities for 2 months. Otherwise, we are going to run into trouble here. However, this is just the start. We also have then the calculations, obviously, in their monetary aspect. And in order to really calculate this properly, especially considering the payment terms, and in this case, the first in, first out inventory management system, we have a lot of cohort calculations in here. So these cohort calculations in each model, these are an engine of the model, usually the most important engine. Now I'm using groupings here, so a lot of this is hidden. So the good thing for the user of the model is that you don't have to worry about any of these things at all. We can always collapse the sheet in order to get just the level of information which is required, and obviously this information flows into other sheets. The key conclusion or the key message that I want to send with this is that the entire system, where you have this obligation, you have the need to project how much inventory needs to be ordered, and it has to fit, the parameters or the conditions of the vendor, so that you order, for example, in lots of certain size, and you have minimum and maximum order quantities to worry about, etc. All of these can be fully automated so that all you have to do is enter the assumptions, and inventory orders are projected automatically by the model. Thanks.